Another new face from a famous stable is the latest MG, a revolutionary departure from the lines of one of Britain's most familiar sports cars.
MG, for 35 years, a magic name to all who love thoroughbred sports cars. A name with a tradition, but a tradition that never rests on its laurels. It took another great stride forward in 1955 at Le Mans, that unique event where quality counts for most and luck for least. Here, the public saw for the first time a new and remarkable product of the MG stable, the prototype of the car which was soon to become world famous as the MGA. And more was to come. No sooner was the new thoroughbred in production as the MGA than the prizes began to roll in. The 1956 Alpine Rally saw the MGA winning the First Lady's Prize, the Coupe des Dames, and it captured the same honor in the Mille Miglia of that year. Not a bad record for a production model in its first year. MG designers, as we've already remarked, do not rest on their laurels. Even before the MGA was offered to the public, plans were afoot for a still faster version, the same B-series engine, but fitted with twin overhead camshafts. The specifications were exacting. The MGA can do just over 100 miles an hour. The twin cam was to do much better than that. The MGA can reach 80 miles an hour from standstill in 32 seconds. The twin cam was to reach 100 in about the same time. And now meet the MGA twin cam itself, the production model. A race-bred car which gives both the competition driver and the normal intelligent motorist the finest value for money they have ever dreamed of.
We must become strong and independent again so that we can look the whole world in the face. What we want to do is to produce more so that we can export more, and that is the key to everything. We must make and sell more abroad so that once again, as a country, we can pay our way.
Australia ahead. The end of your journey is in sight as your ship approaches the coastline of
When the immigrant ship New Australia arrives from Britain, Sydney's welcome for her passengers is most cordial.